Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wonderful people. Welcome to Abunifu Kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a very delicious banana toast. It's a very simple recipe that you can make for breakfast or as a snack. So let's get started. I first prepared my bananas, chopped them up, and then fried them in a pan with butter. You can use margarine. And then I also added some sugar. You can skip this step if you do not want the extra sweetness. I allowed them to fry on both sides until golden brown. Then I mashed them up together. Once they were ready, I set them aside and started working on my paste. In the paste, I added an egg, about a teaspoon of cinnamon, and around 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Then I mixed them together. Once that was ready, I set it aside and started working on my slices of bread. I first removed the brown part and then used a rolling pin to straighten up the slice, and then placed my mashed bananas in the middle. I used my paste to seal the slices so they do not come apart. Once that was done, I did dip them into the paste and then fried them in a pan with butter. You can use margarine once again. I did fry them until they were golden brown on both sides, and there you have it. It's a very delicious toast to have. I hope you get to try it and let me know how it works for you. And until next time, kwaheri.